Good evening, my dear children. Today we are going to revise some basic operation. Basic operations in mathematics indicates that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the four basic operations in mathematics. So up to class 4 you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and simple kinds of division. We will revise some addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. Try to recall them. Basic operation. Page number 18. Question number 1. Sub-question A. 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 2. This sign is addition sign and plus sign. We need to add the numbers. First row and second row. This is the first row, number of first row. This is the number of second row. So we have to add them. Now 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. You can count the numbers on your fingers and you can draw lines also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2. How many together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 7, 4, 2, 6, 5, 3, 8, 5, 3, 8. This is the answer. Answer is 8, 8, 6, 7, 6. Is it clear to you? Question number 1, sub-question D. 4, 4, 2, 8, 2, 3 minus 2, 8, 7, 5, 7, 1. 1 from 3, 3. Then 1 will cancel. How much remain? 2. From 2, if we want to subtract 7, it is not possible. 7 cannot be subtracted from 2. So from 8 we will borrow 10. 10 plus 2 it will be 12. Then 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5. How much remain here? Here 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 7 impossible. We will borrow again 10 here. So it will be 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 7 again 5. Then here remains 3. 3 minus 8 is not possible. So we will take again 10 here. Borrow 10 here. It was 3. So 13 minus 8 is equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. So here it will be 5. Here how much remain? 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So answer is 1, 5, 5, 2, 5, 2. This is the answer. Note it down. There are 2 other sum. You do yourself. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Multiply. Sub-question number A. 306 by 142. So arrange the number 306, 142. 3-digit number we have to multiply. So 2 6 are 12. 2 1 left. 2 zeros are 0 and 1. 1 2 3s are 6. Then leave the first unit place digit, then multiply with 4 6 are 24, 2 left, 4 0 0 and 2. If you add 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, then 4 3 are 12, then left 2 place, 1 place and tens place, then multiply with 1, 1 6 are 6, 1 0 0, 1 3 3. So add them together, 2 4 1 5, 6 2 8 8 6, 14, 1 left, 1 and 1 3 3 plus 1 4. Therefore the answer is 4 3 4 5 2. So there is another sum, you do yourself. Now question number 3, divide. So sub question number A, 87216 by 46. Am I correct? 87216 by 46. So we will divide it. 87216 by 46. So you try to recall what to be divided. It is called dividend. With what number you are going to divide? It is called divisor. And what result you got? It is called QUOTIENT, quotient. So this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and we are going to find out the quotient. Now how to divide a division, how to divide a number by a 2-digit number, I am going to explain. Now you see the first number is 8. 8 is smaller than 46. Together if we take 8 and 7, it is 87. 87 is greater than 46. So 46 1s are 46. 46 2s are 6 2s are 12, 1 left, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 92. So 92 is greater than 87. So we will take 1 as quotient and it will be written above 7. So we will put the quotient here above 7. 46 1s are 46. Now it's you subtract it. 7 minus 6 1, 8 minus 4 4. Now 41 is smaller than 46. We will take down 2 to the right of, extreme right of 41, and we will check again how much time or what will be the quotient equal to 412 or smaller than 412. 46 3s are 6 3s are 18, 1 left, 4 3s are 12 and 1 13. 4 6 into 4, 4 6s are 424, 2 left, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. Then 46, 5s are 5 6s are 30, 3 left. Then 5 4s are 20 and 23. Then 46, 6 are 6 6 are 36, 3 left, 27. Now 46, if we continue in this way, 46 is 48, 8 4s are 32, 32 and 4 36, 46 into 9, 6 9s are 54, 5 left, 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So it is 414. 414. This number is greater than 412. So we will take 8 as quotient and it will be placed just above the 2. So 8 6 are 48, 8 and 4 left, 8 4 are 32, 32 and 4 36, 8 6 are 48, 8 then 4 left, 8 4 are 32, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 2 minus 8 is impossible. So we will borrow 10. It will become 12. 12 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. Now here it is 0. We will take 10 again. 10 minus 6. Again 4. Here 3 minus 3 is 0. Now from the number we will take down 1. And we will put to the extreme right of 44. Now it is 441. Now 441 is greater than 414. So it will go 9 times. So we will put the 9 as quotient above, just above 1. And the result is 9 6 are 54. 5 left. Then 9 4 are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So 1 minus 4 is impossible. So we will borrow 1. It will become 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7. Then here it is 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Again similarly we will bring down the 6 to the extreme right of 27 and we'll check how many times will go as quotient above 6. Now here I have calculated 230, 276. 46, 6 are 276. So 6 are 276. So remainder is 0. Answer is, the quotient is 1896. So towards the right side of your copy. Okay? Note it down. There is another sign in the same question. You try yourself. Question number 4. What is in the question? Find the sum of greatest 5-digit number and 92843. The greatest 5-digit number is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. This is the greatest 5-digit number. And 9 to 843. 9 to 843. 9 to 843. We have to find out the sum. Means addition. 9 and 3. How much? 9 and 1, 10, 10 to 12. 1 left. 9, 4, 13, 1, 14. 1 left. 9, 8, 17, 1, 18. 1 left. 9, 2, 11, 11, 1, 12. 1 left. 9, 9, 18, 18, 1, 19. This is the answer. Question number 5. Determine the number from which 54,809 must be subtracted to give 36,986. Determine the number. Number 5. Question number 5. Determine the number from which 54,809 must be subtracted to give 36,986. Question number 5. Determine the number from which 54,809 must be subtracted to give 36,986. So this is to be added to find out the number. The number is 548093696. If you add these two numbers, then you will get the required number to be find out. 9 and 6, 15, 5, 1 left, 8 and 1, 9, 8, 9, 17, 1 left, 4, 6, 4, 10, 1, 11, 1 left, 5, 3, 8 and 1, 9. So the number is 91,795. Now from this number 90, check it. 795. According to the question, determine the number from which 54,809 must be subtracted. From this number, if you subtract how much? 54,809. How much you should get? 36,986. It comes out or not, you check it out. 15 minus 9 is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. Here 8 remains, 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Then 7 minus 8 is not possible, we borrow 10 here. Then 17 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9. Then here 0, 0. We will borrow what? 10 again. 10 minus 4, 6. Here 8 remains. So 8 minus 5, 3. See, 30. It gives 36,986. So it has been set. So this is the sum. Question number 6. A shopkeeper paid rupees how much? 72,345. And for purchasing the caps 8 rupees 53 each. Rupees 53 of each cap. So how many caps did he buy? What to be done? We have to divide this amount by this amount to find out the number of caps. So 7, 2, 3, 4, 53. Now you do the sum. Here is the dividend 72,345, and here it is the divisor 53. Then we will have to find out the quotient. 53 1 ja 53, 52, 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 6, 5 2 ja 10, 53, 3 ja 3 3 ja 9, 5 3 ja 15, 53, 4 ja 21, 53, 5 ja 5 3 ja 15, 1 left, 5 5 ja 25, 1, 26. In this way you can calculate out in the rough space. Then you check it. If we give 2 times as quotient, it will be 106. 106 is greater than 72. 53 is smaller than 72. So it will go 1 times. In the quotient place, above 2, just above 2, will give 1. And multiplied with 53, 53 1 ja 53. Now you subtract it. 2 minus 3 is not possible. Take 10. It will become 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Here 6 remains. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Now you bring down 3 towards the extreme right of 19. Now it become 193. Now you see, if you multiply 53 with 3, it will give you 159. If you multiply by 4, 212. 212 is greater than 193 and 2 is very smaller than 193. 159 also is smaller than. So you will choose 3 times above the 3 as quotient. So 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. 159. So 13 minus 9 is equal to 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. Here how much remain? 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now bring down the 4. 344. Now 53 by 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 left. 6 5s are 31. 31. 53. 7s are 371. So 371 is greater than 344. So we will have to choose 6 times. Above the 4, we will put the quotient 6. So 6 53s are 318. So this one. 14 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. Here 3 remains. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So from the top, again from the number, we will bring down the 5 to the extreme right of 26. Now 265. Is there any number equal to 265 here? If we give 5 above the number 5 as quotient, then 5 into 53 is equal to 265. So the remainder is 0. So answer is the shopkeeper purchased how many caps? 1365. 1365 caps. The shopkeeper bought, B-O-U-G-S-T, bought or purchased. This is the sum. Question number 7. What is in the question number 7? Find the greatest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by smallest number formed by the digit 372. The greatest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by the smallest number formed by the digit 372. The smallest number formed by the digit 372 is equal to 237. Now the greatest 5-digit number is 99999. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you divide 99,999 by 237 at first. So 237, 2s are 7, 2s are 14, 1 left, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 2 2s are 4.